Tucked away in the woods of Copake Lake, New York, this extraordinary home is more than just a weekend retreat. It's a masterful blend of architecture and nature. Welcome to Copake Lake House, a 3,926 square foot residence designed by Desai Chia Architecture. Located just 2 hours north of New York City, this lakefront home redefines how architecture can gently inhabit its surroundings while offering an immersive sensory escape. Tucked away in the woodlands of Copake Lake, New York, this remarkable home is more than just a weekend retreat. It's a masterful interplay of architecture and nature. Welcome to the Copake Lake House, a 3,926 square foot residence designed by Desai Chia Architecture. Located just 2 hours north of New York City, this lakeside home redefines how architecture can gently inhabit its surroundings while offering a profound sensory escape. As we approach the house, we experience what the architects call a ritual of arrival. The driveway curves gently through a thicket of trees, revealing the home gradually. The structure emerges with an air of restraint and calm. A carport greets us at the edge, partially cantilevered over the landscape. The gesture isn't flashy, it's poetic. It hovers lightly over the terrain, respecting the root zones of old oak trees that predate this modern. It sits on a robust concrete plinth that grounds it to the site. Above, vertical siding treated in Sugi ban, a traditional Japanese charring technique, not only offers a striking dark tone, but provides natural resistance to rot and insects. These materials create an earthy, tactile dialogue between the built and the natural, as though the house was carved from the land itself. Transparency plays a starring role here. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels break the solidity of the walls, framing uninterrupted views of the lake and woods beyond. Inside, spaces like the kitchen and dining room flow effortlessly onto the outdoor terraces. Each cantilevered deck becomes an extension of the interior, inviting life to spill outdoors, whether it's for breakfast beneath the oaks or dinner with the lake breeze. Let's step into the living room, the heart of the house. The sunken space is carved one level below, creating a sense of intimacy and grounding. Above us, a soaring timber canopy unfolds in an expressive grid of beams, each one intentionally misaligned, like branches of a tree. As light filters through skylights and clerestory windows, the room becomes an ever-changing canvas of shadows and warmth. It's a place for stillness, for reflection, and for simply watching the seasons change. Sustainability here isn't an afterthought. It's embedded in the house's DNA. The structure rests on piers rather than a full basement, preserving natural water flows and minimizing site disturbance. Rain gardens, swales, and wetlands manage stormwater organically. Overhangs and passive shading reduce the need for artificial cooling. Even the house's siding was carefully choreographed to protect the landscape. It's architecture that listens, rather than dominates. In an age where architecture can often be about making bold statements, the Copake Lake House offers something rare: humility. It's a home that doesn't shout, but rather whispers its elegance. Through structure, material, and light, it's a dialogue with nature, not a monologue. And in that quiet conversation, we find something truly profound. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found inspiration in this design, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more in-depth architectural explorations. See you in the next video.